Hey everyone, welcome back to this lecture on numbers in Python. We already briefly mentioned that there are two main number types, so we are going to be working with throughout the course, and that is integer, which are whole numbers, and floating point numbers, which are number of a decimal. We are going to be exploring a little bit of basic maths of Python, and then we will discuss how to create variables and assign them values. Let's open PyCharm and get started. Alright, so before we actually start typing any code, I wanted to introduce you to Python console that is just lies down in PyCharm. So click on Python console and extend it to full screen. Let's start off by just going over some basic math, which is pretty straightforward, and it's basically just using Python as calculator if you want to do it. It's just an addition sign or a plus sign. So 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. If you want to do subtraction, that's just a dash or a minus sign. So 2 minus 1. You can use an asterisk for multiplication. So 2 asterisk 2, 2 asterisk 2, 4. If you want to perform division, that's just a forward slash. So 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Okay. Now let's take a little bit of time to discuss a mathematical operation that you may not have been seen before. It's the modular or mod operator. And basically what this does, it returns back the remainder after a division. So we are going to say 7 mod 4 and it returns back 3. Because 7 divided by 4, it goes it at one time evenly with a remainder of 3. For example, 50 mod of 5, and if 5 goes to 50 evenly, then we will get back a remainder of 0, which is nice because it's a way to check if a number is evenly divisible by another number. That's a really convenient check when you want to check if a number is even or not. So let's imagine we have an odd number 23 and we want to know if it's even or odd. Well, it could just look at it, but maybe sometime in my code is discussed as a variable. I really need to quickly check if it's even or odd. One way I could do this is simply with a mod 2. And I know if made to result in something other than 0, then we have an odd number. Because of have an even number, then we have divided by it by 2. There should be no remainder, or the remainder should be 0. It just gives you the remainder after you perform a division. Let's continue with anything else about arithmetic. You can also perform powers, so you can do something like 2 to the power 3, so that just 2 asterisk sign in a row. So 2 to the power 3, that's 8. And then you can also perform order of operation. Let's imagine that I have the following equation: 2 plus 10 multiplied by 10 plus 3. If I run that code, I get back 105. Okay, so that's the basic of arithmetic and using Python as a calculator. Coming up next, we were going to expand on this by showing you how you can perform variable assignments, that is, create your own variable name and then assign an object to it. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next lecture.